Just going to give you a walk round video of our Volkswagen Golf GTD DSG automatic 5-door in red with a really nice specification. We've taken this car in part exchange. It's had 2 owners from new, full service history. You can see at the front it's got the radar cruise and it's got front and rear parking sensors. This Golf's in nice condition. There will be a few light stone chips being touched in because it is a 4-year-old car, but it's in a very nice, genuine, clean condition. So looking down the side of the car, there's no scrapes and dings. It's very nice. I've just got one little stone chip on the window which is going to be repaired tomorrow morning. So it's got the 19-inch alloy wheels, diamond cut. A few little marks on, but only minor. They're in nice condition. It's got mud flaps fitted front and rear. Factory privacy glass to the rear of the car. I'll show you each wheel as going round. It's recently had a set of tyres fitted. There are parking sensors there on the rear. I'll just open the boot. All nice and clean in there. It's got a double floor so you can drop the board down for a bit bigger boot. Space saver wheel inside there. It's got the LED rear lights. Again, looking down this side, all nice. So there's a couple of little marks, there's a little sort of scratch mark there, there's a couple of edges being polished, but they're in nice condition for 4 years old. Quick look in the back for a start. Nice black leather, white stitching, all nice and clean in there. It's got fitted over carpet mats, black door trims and dash trim. So the mileage of the car today is 30,133. Multifunction steering wheel there, sort of flat bottom with paddle extensions for the flappy pedals. It's got heated front seats, it's got satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone. I'd say the seats are all nice. It's got the media leads in the glove box to plug in. It's also got heated power folding door mirrors with lights underneath, illuminated kick strip there. You can see the lights underneath the mirror. I'll just stand back and walk you down the side. Really nice shine to it. I'll go across the front of the bonnet carefully. I say there'll be 1 or 2 stone chips on the bonnet that are just a little touch in. All looks to be nice and original. So full description on our website justnicecars.co.uk. Thank you for watching. Any questions, please give me a call. Thanks.